For centuries, fireworks have been our go-to for celebration. Bright, loud, and just unpredictable enough to keep things interesting. From ancient China to American Independence Day, we've always looked to the sky for a bit of wonder. But these days, the story is changing. Drone light shows have emerged as a modern twist on a timeless tradition. Using hundreds, sometimes thousands of LED-equipped drones, these displays are choreographed with precision software to form flags, eagles, and even animations that move with music. It's a combination of cutting-edge technology and creative storytelling, lighting up the night in new and unforgettable ways. If you need proof that the sky's no longer the limit, look no further than Las Vegas. Last year, the Sphere opened with a visual spectacle that turned an entire building into a digital firework. With more than 1 million LEDs covering its curved surface, it became an ultimate example of how innovation and emotion can collide in one unforgettable experience. The same thing is happening in real estate. At Maine Home Connection, we believe the best results come from blending powerful technology with compelling storytelling. Whether it's showcasing a home with drone video, engaging digital tours, or unique branding, our goal is the same: to help your home stand out and resonate. Because today, it's not just about making noise, it's about creating something to remember. Happy 4th of July from our company to you and yours. Until next time, I'm Laura Sosnowski, and I invite you to imagine more.